Hey everybody, it's Eddie with National Billiard Academy. We're here in Jacksonville, North Carolina at Rackham, and we wanted to bring you some raw footage of the clinic, and particularly what we're doing at this moment is we're creating video analysis. We're videoing the students at the table with laser precision. And the reason for this is you don't know what you look like when you're down on a pool shot. We really need to get our body parts properly aligned to the line of the shot. And so with this video analysis, you get to see exactly how you're lined up to the shot. And so we're just going to go around and collect some raw footage just so you get to see another aspect of the clinic. Thanks. Take care. The table has been dotted using lasers, and we're having them to shoot specific shots, and we're recording them, and we'll be able to review this with them to identify areas for improvement. And specifically, we're looking for alignment. You can see that there's a laser here to check the alignment of body parts to the line of the shot. We're doing 3 different shots. We're doing a stop shot, we're doing a follow shot, and we're doing a draw shot. We do this with every student on the first day of the clinic, and then we review the videos on the second morning. This is really the only way to tell what's going on that's outside of the shooter's vision. We don't stop and turn around and look back at our stroke arm, and we don't really care whether the object ball goes in or not. We're just capturing this footage of body alignment. So we capture one video from the front of the shooter, and then a second video, or it's all one long video, but we get the front view, the rear view, and then the side view. And every attendee gets a copy of these videos on a thumb drive, along with a lot of other valuable information about the clinic as a friendly reminder. And additionally, you get some drills on the thumb drive. See, we don't even capture the object ball in video.
I didn't do that at all.
They have plenty of instructors to help facilitate the process. And of course, the rest of the attendees are working on other things. They're working on speed drills while we're doing this. So we have everyone busy. And then this occurs right after we've finished lunch. So as attendees finish lunch, they just come up and we go ahead and get started with this process. We don't take a real long lunch.